Hello everyone. In this lesson we will focus on the pronunciation of the Arabic alphabet. To make it easier to understand and remember, I will give examples of English letters that have a similar sound to each Arabic letter I introduce. Some Arabic letters don't have an exact equivalent in English, so it's important to listen carefully and repeat each letter after me to get the pronunciation right. The Arabic alphabet consists of 28 letters, written from right to left. Each letter has a basic name, a distinct sound, and a different shape depending on its position in the word: isolated, initial, medial, or final. Alif, as A in cat. Arabic example: Ana. Ana means I. Ba. Ba is as B in boy. Arabic example: Baba. Baba means dad. Ta is the same as T in tank. Ta. Arabic example: Tuffah. Tuffah. Tuffah means apple. Tha. Tha as TH in think. Arabic example: Thob. Thob. Jim. Jim as G in Egyptian, also pronounced as G as G in go. Arabic example is Jamal. Jamal means camel. The Egyptian pronunciation is Gamal. Gamal. Ha. Ha doesn't have exact English sound, but it is like deep H. Arabic example: Hubb. Hubb. Hubb means love. Kha. Kha is like German Kh in Bach. Arabic example: Khubz. Khubz means bread. Dal. Dal is similar to D in dance. Arabic example is Dulab. Dulab means wardrobe. Dhal. Dhal is like TH in this. Arabic example is Dhahab. Dhahab means gold. Ra. Ra is like rolled R. Arabic example: Raml. Raml is sand. Zain. Zain is like Z in zoo. Arabic example: Zayt. Zayt is oil. Sin. Sin is as S in salmon. Arabic example: Samak. Samak means fish. Sheen. Sheen is as SH in shop. Arabic example: Shay. Shay means tea. Sad. Sad is as S in sun. Arabic example: Saboon. Saboon. Saboon means soap. Dad. Dad is like emphatic D. It is like dog. Arabic example: Darab. Darab means hit. Ta. Ta is like strong tea, like tea in top. An Arabic example of ta is Tariq. Tariq. Tariq is the Egyptian pronunciation of road. Tariq. Dha. Dha is pronounced in Egyptian as za. It is like strong Z, as in TH in though. Arabic word is zarf. Zarf. Ain. Ain has no exact English sound. It is pronounced as the Egyptian word Ain. عين means eye. غين. غين like the French R. Arabic word غابة. غابة means forest. فاء. فاء as if in fun. Arabic word فلفل. فلفل means pepper. قاف. قاف. قاف pronounced as hard K from throat. Example in Arabic is قمر. قمر means moon. Pronunciation in Egyptian Arabic is قمر. قمر. كاف. K as K in kite. Example in Arabic كتاب. كتاب means book. لام. Lam is like L in love. Example in Arabic is lamoon. Lamoon. Lamoon means lemon. Meme. Meme is as M in man. Example in Arabic موز. موز is bananas. Noon. Noon is as N in net. Arabic word nimr. Nimr means tiger. هاء. هاء is as H in hat. Egyptian word هدية. هدية means gift. Wow. Wow has two pronunciations in Arabic. It can be pronounced as W in water, and another pronunciation is as U in moon. Our first example in Arabic is warda. Warda means rose. The other example where it is pronounced as U is nur. Nur means light. Ya. Ya has two pronunciations according to the word. One pronunciation is as Y in yes, and the other is as E in C. Arabic example is يوم. يوم means day. Hamza. Hamza is a glottal stop. It is like pause in O. Arabic example is in standard Arabic is ماء. ماء which means water.